Hey DIYers, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to install this screen door on this lower unit here. So let's get right to it. Alright, so I couldn't find the exact door measurements to fit what I need here. So I just picked up from the box store. I got a 32 by 80 and this is more like a 32 by 77, 78, something like that. So we'll just cut this down a little bit to fit. So we'll take maybe an inch off of each side and get that so it'll fit. And I found some hinges that'll work for the hinge, and then we'll have to come up with a door. And I think I'll need to probably go to the hardware store to pick up a spring, so it'll keep it held in and get that. But we'll go ahead and measure this and then cut this down to the size to fit. Go ahead and get it hung and get the rest of the stuff figured out. All right, so I measured it and we're actually need to be at 78 1/4 to be on the safe side for being able to open and close. And if I do that, then it's only going to leave me in like 1 1/4 at the bottom here. And the top railing there is, well, let's see, what is that? That's 2 1/4. So I don't want to cut it all off at the bottom here and only leave 1 1/4. So what I'll do is I'm going to take a 1/2 inch off of the top, and then I can take the rest of it off down here at the bottom. So that way this isn't going to be too thin. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll take a 1/2 inch off there at the top. So I'll just get this straight edge put up here so it's even across. Measure down here, 78 1/4 from there. Alright, so the way I'm going to do this, hang this so that it clears the bottom and I can go ahead and get it hung, knowing that I have a safe clearance at the bottom. I'm going to put these wedges down underneath so that it'll rest on it, and then I know that it's at least that depth above where it would be bottoming out, hitting, so that I know I'm safe as far as being able to have it hung at the proper height. So you can just put that there. Do the same thing. Just like that. Okay, let's go ahead and put on a third hinge. So the door's nice and supported. Okay. Alright, so there we have it. Voila. Trying to make the wife happy. Alright, so now I got two things left to do. One is we'll put a spring on it so that it'll make it close automatically. And then we'll come up with a latch mechanism for it so that when you close it, then it'll stay connected. We don't have to worry about putting a hook or anything like that. We can just put a latch. And I think because the door's got a slight bow to it, I'm gonna put the latch down at the bottom here. Seems like that makes the most sense. We'll put it down here so that it'll snap there and it'll hold it into place. All right, very good. So there we go. Let's go ahead and get that taken care of, and then we will be good to go. All right, so now that we got the door hung, now we got the spring I went and picked up at the hardware store. So I think I'll put it here in the middle. It's just got 2 eye hooks. So I'll just put an eye hook here and then stretch it out a little bit, put it on, you can screw it in to adjust it. So I'll get that figured out. Let's go ahead and screw this side in. And I'll go and put it, the other eye on this side. Okay. Now we'll take the spring. Where'd the spring go? Oh, it's on there. So hook the spring on there. The spring needs to be tighter, so I'll pull that off. Screw this in, bring it back out, hook it on, just like that. I guess it could be a little tighter still. Just pull this off, screw it in a little bit more. Pull it over, get back on the hook. And voila, just like so. All right, very good. So the spring, it's not too tight, so it's not like gonna slam it on there, but that's perfect. And so it's adjustable, which is good. If I need to make it even tighter, I can bring the screw out, but for what it is, that's good there. Now, what I wanna do is I want to actually make it so this door handle is sticking out further than this. This isn't like your standard door setup, because this is actually this was a 3-panel sliding door. These busted, so of course I put this wood in here, and then I put this door in, and so it's not got the standard framing and everything for what would be typical. So the door handle is actually sticking out, so this is running into it. But the thing is that if you're going to have the screen door, you're using the screen door, you're going to be dealing with the screen more like that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put a closure on the inside, which I'll show you that. So we'll take this closure here, and we'll hook it up down here at the bottom. And so basically this is going to be on the door part, and then this will be on the frame part, and then it'll just snap in to hold it in place. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and get this lined up here. We can actually screw in the part that goes into the door. All right, so now that I got that fastener on there, then I can just close the door, and voila. Just like that. Yep. So I mean, it just springs and it'll bounce. If you just push on it, it'll snap in there. It's in place. So we're good to go. And I can put a door handle on it, but for now it's good. Now I just need to put some paint on it, get that coated up. And actually, I think what I'm going to do here, let's go ahead and do this. So because when this door is closed and this hits there, that's not going to latch on that anymore. So what I want to do, I don't want the wind to just blow this. So I've got these little hooks. Let's just go ahead and put one of these on here so that when it's in this state, it can latch and keep it in place. So let's go ahead and just put this, yeah, we'll just put it at door height or door handle height. Okay, so it's like that. And with the latch be like that. So do that to get it started. Okay, just bring the hook over, just like that. Voila, we're good to go. Yep, that's all we needed. So that'll keep the door nice and secure, so it's not going to fly open during the wind. And then when that door's open, we can just close it like that. Voila. Yep, so it all works. So again, I'm just going to put a coat of paint on it, just protect it from weather, and then we should be good. If you like this video content, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, and until next time.